This scene is from a moving metro train. The crowd is huge and all the seats are taken. In the middle, you can see a pregnant lady standing, looking tired and uncomfortable. The boy standing next to her noticed her struggle. Without wasting a second, he moved his backpack to the front. No one understood what he was about to do. And look at this! He pulled out an amazing folding stool from his bag, a portable seat. He quickly opened it, set it up, and politely offered it to the lady. As the lady sits down and smiles, she finally felt relieved and comfortable. A small act of thoughtfulness eased her discomfort. Truly, convenience isn't always found. Sometimes it's created. Salute to this mindset.